A point A is 40 mm in front of VP and is situated in the fourth quadrant. Its shortest distance from the intersection of XY and X1Y1 is 45 mm. Draw its projections and also find its distance. So here he says it is in the fourth quadrant, so we are considering this as the fourth quadrant. Okay, it's 40 mm in front of VP. So when you look from the top view, we can see the distance 40 mm in front of VP. And the shortest, since it is the shortest distance, obviously we need to consider the profile view. So you are going to have the profile plane. So its shortest distance from the intersection of XY and X1Y1 is this distance, which is 45 mm, which has been given here. So this is the distance, which is 45 mm, which can be seen here. So now, that as the distance with respect to the profile plane is not being given, so we can consider any distance. So from here to here, it can be any distance, and also from here to here, which can be any distance. But we know the shortest distance is 45 mm. So that means from here to here, the distance is 45 mm. Now this is how you will be able to analyze it. Now we are cutting it here and rotate LPP by 90 degree to the left side and HP down. So as we rotate this by 90 degree, we can see the second position of this. So he says that 40 mm, the distance with respect to the profile plane, it can be any distance. So from here, you take any distance and draw a vertical projector. As 40 mm in front of VP is which in front of VP can be seen in HP. So from this point, you measure 40 mm and you mark this point. As we draw a line here till here, so then it is 40 mm being vertical. Then when you rotate this by an angle, so when you draw an angle of 45 degree here, then this in front of VP distance is transferred into the horizontal distance, and then project this top view in the profile view and the profile plane. Then you measure the distance from here and take a radius of 45 and cut an arc on this inclined line, so that you will going to get this point A double dash. Then draw a horizontal line from here to the front view and you mark this point, which is going to be A dash, and write the dimension L is equal to question mark and find the solution for that. So this is how you will be able to analyze it. Now we are going to try to solve the problem. So first we are going to draw the XY line and X1Y1 line and mark XY and X1Y1. As he says, it is VP and HP. So write VP and HP in bracket and LPP. It should be LPP here. Then the distance with respect to the profile plane, you can take any distance and draw a vertical thin projector line. Then the distance in front of VP is 40 mm. You mark this point from here. You measure the distance of 40 mm and you mark that point, and you mark this point as small p. And since it is the top view, so always the top view has to be projected onto 45 degree line. By using the protractor, you measure an angle of 45 degrees and then draw an inclined thin line. And when you draw a horizontal projector from P to the 45 degree line, the distance in front of VP, which was vertical here, has been transferred into horizontal distance. And from this point, you draw a vertical projector to the top side. Then by using the compass, you measure a distance of 45 mm. Then with this as center, origin, cut an arc on this vertical projector which is drawn from this point, so that you will going to get this point P double dash. Then draw a horizontal projector from here where it will going to intersect this line, which will going to become P double dash, and then you mark this point as P dash. Then you measure the distance from this point to here, which is equal to L is equal to question mark, and write the answer. L is equal to 20.62 when you are doing it in computer. When you are doing it in manual, L is equal to 21 mm. Then show the dimensions of 40, and this any distance which has been shown is only for your reference. It need not be shown in the examination. So this will going to be the final solution. This is how you will be able to get the solution.